What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox error code 277 on your mobile device. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error, the easiest way to basically fix this error on your Roblox is first sign out of your Roblox account and then sign back in. You'd be surprised, a lot of times just a simple sign in and out fixes a lot of these issues. So I would highly recommend you to basically go down that route and see if that fixes it for you. The next thing you'd like to do once you've done this is to basically then if this doesn't fix it for you, is to go to your mobile network and basically, if you're connected via your Wi-Fi network, I should say, if you're connected via your Wi-Fi network, disconnect and try to utilize your mobile network instead. And if you're connected to via mobile network, disconnect that and connect via Wi-Fi and see if that fixes it for you. Because this could be like a DNS issue happening from your mobile section. So doing this does fix a lot of these issues. If you're connected to a VPN or something, just stop using the VPN. Basically, sign out of it or disconnect it, I should say, and then try to play as well. Once you've done these steps, you guys should be good to go. You should not have this error persist any longer. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please smash the like, down the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and more tutorials out. Peace.